Okay, next is problem number 10. In this problem, we're going to look at associative model. We want to forecast, and we have data from 12 stores. Okay, sales is given, profit is given. Now we have to figure out which one of these two is X and which one is Y. And for that, we need to carefully read the problem. So we have the 12 stores in northern Louisiana. Sales figures and profit are given. Sales are given in millions. Profit is in $1,000. Okay. Calculate a regression line for the data. What is your forecast for profit? So this is the key. We want to forecast the profit. Since we want to forecast the profit, profit is Y and the other is X. So Y, okay, let me write it over here. Y is profit in $1,000. Okay, you have to be careful with the units. X is sales in $1 million. Okay, so this is X and this is Y. And now we're going to fit a regression line. And also we need to calculate standard error and coefficient of correlation. Therefore, we need X times Y and then X squared and Y squared. So we go 7 times 15 will give you 105. 2 times 10 will give you 20. And I'll just write the XY values from here onwards. So 78, 60, 350, 405, 384, 240, 378, 880, 510, and 119. Okay, so those are X times Y values. And then we need X squared. So X squared will be 7 squared is 49, 2 squared is 4, 6 squared is 36, 4 squared is 16, 14 squared is 196, and 225, 256, 144, 196, 400, 225, and 49. And we also need Y squared for computing standard error and coefficient of correlation and coefficient determination. So 15 squared is 225, 10 squared is 100, 169, 225, 625, 729, 576, 400, 729, 1936, 1156, and 289. Sum the columns. Okay, so this is sum of X is 132, 271, 3529, 1796, and 7159. So what we have here are N equal to, there are 12 stores, so N is 12. Okay, now we have, let's write these three numbers first. Sum of X times Y is 3529. Sum of X squared is 1796. Sum of Y squared is 7159. Now sum of X is 132, so X bar is 132 divided by N, which is 12. So that will give us x bar of 11. Y bar is sum of y, well, sum of y, we'll first do sum of y. Sum of y is 271, so y bar is 271 divided by 12. That will give you 22.5833. Okay, now we are ready to compute the regression coefficients. So the formula is b equal to sum of xy minus n times x bar y bar n times x bar squared. So just plug in the values. 35.29 minus 12, x bar is 11, y bar is 22.5833 divided by 1796, that is sum of x squared minus n and x bar squared, and that will give you a b of 1.593, and y-intercept A is y bar minus b times x bar. So y bar is 22.5833 minus b times x bar, and we get 5.0601. So then forecast is 5.0601 plus 1.593x, where x is sales in $1,000,000.